Halloween is coming and I'm super excited to do all these spooky season designs, such as pumpkins, ghosts, zombies, and so on. But I have a client who said that she doesn't want anything on her nails, such as stitches or blood. She wants something cute with lilac or any other pastel color, but it still have to have this Halloween vibe. That's quite a challenge, but I think we can do it. So let's do it together in this video. Coming up. Hello guys, this is Anastasia. In this video I will be doing this design and also we're going to do your favorite story time. I will share a few stories about my clients whose partners did not approve their manicure. Before I begin, I just wanted to let you know that I never share any kind of information or stories without my client's consent. They know that I will be sharing some of them on my English YouTube channel. Also, I do not use their real names sometimes for privacy purposes. We are going to do Halloween designs, so first I start with the prep and we will be doing soft gel extensions. Here's the story. I had a new client once, a young girl, and she looked so pretty. Her skin, her hair, everything looked perfect. So I could tell she is spending some time on self-care, or maybe she's going to the beauty salons. Her nails were in a great condition too. They were short, but her natural nail beds were long, so they looked beautiful, and her manicure was probably around 2 to 3 weeks old, so she just asked me for a new gel overlay. While I was doing manicure, I just couldn't help but look at her nails all the time and think to myself, wow, with this kind of nails, any color or any design is going to look great. I was so curious on what is she going to pick and secretly hoping that she is going to do some nail art. When I was finishing with the manicure, I gave her a swatch and asked to choose the color. And I could tell she was looking at the dark colors like dark brown, dark purple. I had this beautiful black color with shimmer and she was looking at them for quite a while. But then she simply put the swatch away and chooses another one with nude neutral colors. Then she took a picture of a light nude color and another one slightly darker, more like a chocolate or a caramel one. Then she sends them to her boyfriend and is waiting for his reply. I asked her which color is she going to pick because with such nails any color is going to look awesome. She said that honestly I like bright, dark and catchy colors such as neon colors. Also I like black or dark brown. I would love to have them, but unfortunately my boyfriend will never approve this. He says that I need to do only neutral or nude colors. Then he replied and picked the one that is lighter, which was almost the same as she had before. So I applied this color. She didn't ask for any nail art, and I could tell she was satisfied with the service, I guess, but wasn't 100% satisfied with the color because this is not the one she wanted. I felt a little sad for her, but it's not my place to give any advice or give my opinions, and at the end of the day, each couple have their own rules, and if they agree to them and every side is happy with their terms, then I think it's okay. Meanwhile, I started to do the nail art, so we have lilac background, and then I mixed black with the top coat to have this semi-transparent jelly black color. Cure it for 30 seconds in LED, then I add more black to the top coat to add darker spots. Here's the second story. I had a regular client and we were doing extensions all the time. She loved long nails, but mostly we were doing medium shape and different colors such as red, orange and so on. And even though she was my regular for a few months, at some point, she shared that her husband has no idea that she is doing nail extensions. And I was surprised because we did it for a few months already. And I'm like, how does he not know? I mean, he didn't notice anything? And she said no. He thinks that these are her natural nails and she's simply doing regular manicure with nail polish. The reason he does not approve any of this is because he's against anything fake, like fake lashes, fake hair, and fake nails. He says that beauty should be 100% natural and she's not allowed to do any of this. At this point, I felt a little good about myself as a professional because I was doing nails that some people thought were real, natural nails, even though those were extensions. During the service, mostly feels, I was always turning on some kind of movies so my clients will not get bored and the time is going to pass quickly. We were doing feel as usual, watching a movie, and suddenly her husband is calling and she asks me, Anastasia, please turn off the TV. I do not want him to know that I am here doing nails. So I did, and you know this moment when you turn off the TV and then the room was completely silent, and it took her a while to take the call and I just slightly continued doing my thing. I was filing and shaping the nails with a hand file. I think I was pretty quiet, and filing with a regular hand file is usually not too noisy, right? But I had this old chair, the one that I was sitting on, and probably it was making this squeaky sound as I was moving because when I file, my body is moving. So when she ended up the call and I could tell it was pretty intense, she told me, oh my God. He asked, why is it so quiet there and why the couch is moving all the time? I said, uh-oh, I think we made it worse. I hope you will not have any problems because of that. She continued being my regular for a few years after that, and at least she found a way to make it work for her. I mean, we were doing extensions just like she wanted, it's just her husband didn't know, and also she was allowed to choose any color. The reason I shared these stories today because I wanted to bring this topic and ask for your opinion, guys. What do you think about this kind of situations when partners are choosing something for us, such as the color or the shape of our nails, and especially when they do not allow something? I think it's actually cute when you're asking opinion from your partner on which color or nail art or nail shape you are going to choose. But at the end of the day, these are your nails, your body, and you're the one who will see them most of the time. So my opinion is that when it comes to choosing color, shape, or nail art, it's your opinion that should be prioritized. Meanwhile, I finished the design, I did some hand-painted bats, then I added another bat stickers and some dots. What do you think, guys? Did we fulfill the goal of having cute but a little spooky Halloween nail art? Let me know what do you think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing, as I post new nail art tutorials and story times, just like this one, every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye!